Good morning, everybody. Topics in the second year zoology. First chapter name Human Anatomy and Physiology. From these chapters, lesson A, digestion and absorption. Lesson B, breathing and exchange of gases. Chapter number 2, Human Anatomy and Physiology. From the chapter, lesson A, body fluids and its circulation. B, excretory system and elimination of waste material. Chapter number 3, Human Anatomy and Physiology. Human Anatomy and Physiology. From the chapter A, musculoskeletal system. B, neural control system. And coordination. Okay. First, human anatomy and physiology. From this chapter, lesson A, digestion and absorption. B, breathing and exchange of gases. And chapter number 2, human anatomy and physiology. Lesson A, body fluid and its circulation. Lesson B, excretory system and elimination of waste material. Chapter number 3, human anatomy and physiology. A, musculoskeletal system. B, neural control and coordination. Okay. Next one, the fourth one, human anatomy and physiology. From the chapter A, endocrine system. And chemical coordination. chemical coordination. B. Immune system. B. Immune system. Fifth chapter, Human Anatomy and Physiology. Human Anatomy and Physiology. From this chapter, lesson A, Human Reproductive System and reproductive health. Reproductive system. B. Reproductive health. And chapter 6, genetics. Chapter 7, organic evolution. Chapter 8, applied biology. Okay. Fourth chapter name human anatomy and physiology. A. Lesson name endocrine system and chemical coordination. B. Immune system. Fifth chapter human anatomy and physiology. A. Human reproductive system. B. Reproductive health. Sixth chapter name genetics. Seventh name organic evolution. Eighth chapter name applied biology. Okay. And here now endocrine system, fourth chapter endocrine system and chemical coordination. And here endo means inner, endo means inner, cry means away. Endo means inner, cry means away. Okay. The endocrine system control and coordinate the body functions. Not only endocrine system, here neural control system also. Okay, here endocrine system, neural control system, control and coordinate the body functions. Okay, and here the endocrine system is produce the hormones. Endocrine system consists the number of glands. The glands produce the hormones. And here the endocrine system do not have the ducts, do not have the vessels. That's why endocrine system is called ductless glands. Endocrine system is simply called as ductless glands. They do not have these system do not have the ducts. That's why they are called ductless glands. Okay, and here hormones. Okay, and here hormones. Word was coined by hormones. Word was coined by Starling. Starling. First detecting hormone secretin. The hormone term was coined by Starling. First detecting hormone secretin. First detecting hormone, secretin. Here, the hormones are control and coordinate the body functions. Here, hyposecretion. Hyposecretion. And hypersecretion. Hyposecretion and hypersecretion of the hormones cause to the disorders. Here hypo means low, hyper means high. Hyposecretion or low secretion of hormones. Hypersecretion or high secretion of hormones cause to the diseases or disorders. Okay, and here the hormones are chemically classified into the three classes. Hormones chemically classified into three classes. Like amino hormone. Second one is the peptide and protein hormone. Third one is the steroid hormone. Okay, the hormones chemically classified into the three classes like amino hormone, peptide and protein hormones, steroid hormone. Okay, first one is the amino hormone. And here the amino hormone which are derivative of single amino acid. Which are derivatives of single amino acid. Okay, example catecholamine. Simply called as epinephrine or norepinephrine. Another name of epinephrine, adrenaline. Okay, norepinephrine. Another name, noradrenaline. Okay, amino hormone which are derivatives of single amino acid. Okay, example catecholamine, simply called as epinephrine. Another name, adrenaline. Norepinephrine, another name, noradrenaline. Okay, next one is the peptide hormone. Not protein, only peptide. And here it includes, the peptide hormone includes 3 to 49 amino acids. It includes 3 to 49 amino acids. Okay, and example of the peptide hormone, ADH. ADH full form anti diuretic hormone. Anti diuretic hormone or peptide. Okay. Another name of anti diuretic hormone, vasopressin. Vasopressin. And oxytocin also. Oxytocin also example of peptide hormone. Okay, once listen here. Peptide hormone includes 3 to 49 amino acids. Example ADH, anti-diuretic hormone, full form of ADH. Another name of ADH, vasopressin. And one more example of peptide hormone, oxytocin. Oxytocin. Next one is the protein hormone. Protein hormone includes 50 to 200 amino acids. The protein hormone includes 50 to 200 amino acids. Example FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, full form. Follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. And LH, luteinizing hormone. LH full form, luteinizing hormone. Okay. Next one is the steroid hormone. These hormones, which are derivatives of cholesterol. Steroid hormone, which are derivatives of cholesterol. Okay. Example, omega-3 fatty acids, essential fatty acids. Example of steroid hormones, the essential amino acids like omega-3 fatty acids. Example, omega-6 fatty acids. Okay. Here, steroid hormone, which are derivatives of cholesterol. Example, essential fatty acids like omega-3 fatty acids, omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, omega-6 fatty acids. Okay. Next, and here some of the higher invertebrates also. Some of the higher invertebrates also produce the hormones. Okay. And here human endocrine system. The human endocrine system control and coordinate the body functions. Simply, it is maintain the body balance. Human endocrine system maintain the body balance. Okay. And here the endocrine system, human endocrine system consider different types of glands like endocrine glands like pituitary gland, pancreas, pineal gland, parathyroid gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, etc. etc. Okay, endocrine system consists the glands like pituitary gland, pancreas, pineal gland, parathyroid gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, thymus gland, thymus gland. And not only that, they consist the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands, non-endocrine glands like endocrine system consists the glands. These non-endocrine glands: gastrointestinal tract, gastrointestinal tract, liver, kidney, heart. These are the non-endocrine glands. These are also produce the hormones. But here, what is the difference between endocrine and non-endocrine? Endocrine do not have the ducts. Endocrine glands do not have the ducts. You know that. Non-endocrine glands have the ducts, vessels. Okay. The hormones produced from the hormones produced through the ducts. Here, the endocrine system do not have the ducts. The hormones produced in the certain place. Okay, the hormones are produced in the certain places in the endocrine system. They do not have the ducts. That's why they are called ductless gland. Here, non-endocrine glands consist the ducts. Okay, the hormones secrete through the pus, through the ducts. That's why they are called gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract, liver, kidney, heart. Okay. Next one, here first topic, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Hypo means under. Thalamus means chamber. Hypo means under. Thalamus means chamber. Okay. And here the hypothalamus, it is a Greek word. Hypothalamus, it is a Greek word. Okay. Hypo means under, thalamus means chamber. Hypo means under, thalamus means chamber. Okay. And it is below the thalamus. It is located below the thalamus. And it is considered the floor of diencephalon. It is a part of brain. It is consist floor of diencephalon. It is a part of the brain. It is a part of the brain, and it is commonly seen between the endocrine system and neural system. Okay. Hypothalamus. Hypo means under, thalamus means chapter. It is located below the thalamus and consists floor of the Dinicephala. It is a part of brain. It is located between the endocrine system and neural system. Okay. And here tomorrow remaining topics. Okay.